How to find your Google Business Profile ID. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can find your Google Business Profile ID. So let's start. The first step is to log in into your Google business account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to Google Business page, as you can see, where you can walk around your profile with these icons on the screen. And then by the time you scroll down, you would see add phone number or your website or etc. All right. And then the next step for you to be able to find your profile ID is to go to the top right corner of the screen. Not really the top right, but it's at the right side of the box. All right. So once you see it, click on it. And once you click on this three dots, a box will be displayed. In the box displayed, the first option you would see is business profile settings. So once you see this, ensure you click on it. So once you've clicked on it, the page would load and then you'll be redirected to another page where you'd see business profile settings. On this page, you'll see people and access, and then you would see advanced settings. So just go ahead and click on advanced settings. And then once you click on it, you'll be directed to another page where you'll see business profile ID. All right. And then you can just copy it here and then you can go ahead and do whatever you want to do with it. So this is basically how you can find your business profile ID. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.